Scene Clean offers our full range of services in White Bear Lake, which should include death-related services, homicides, suicides, hoarding, or drug-related services. And in the past year, we've helped several clients with these specifically drug-related and or death-related services in the last year. So with Scene Clean, we help our clients, or we can help our clients through the entire process, from mitigation through the rebuild process if they need that. The process really starts with someone calls our office. We'll take the information, we'll meet the client on the job site, go over the scope of work that we're thinking needs to be done with them, and if necessary, we can help them file the insurance claim. Not hiring a proper company such as ours can lead to improper cleanup. We provide critical services with special knowledge, and unfortunately it's easy for anyone to say that they do biohazard services when in reality they're probably a fire or water company that does biohazard cleaning on the side. So at Scene Clean we're different because we focus only on biohazard situations. We don't provide fire or water services, and all of our staff is full-time and third-party certified. So we like to think when you come to Scene Clean, you are working with the best.